Hey, let me start this in a way that actually matters. You know that quiet frustration when your desk is clean, your ideas are sharp, but your computer still feels like it's holding you back? That's exactly where the GEEKOM IT15 changes the equation. This is for the kind of person who values capability without chaos. You don't want a tower dominating your space or a laptop gasping under pressure. You want something compact, deliberate, and powerful enough that you never have to think about limits again. You recognize quality when performance feels calm instead of strained. Before you go any further, take a moment to check the current price and availability. Machines like this don't stay under the radar for long once people realize what they replace. There's usually a very clear upgrade moment that leads here. Maybe your old mini PC handled basics but collapsed under real multitasking. Maybe your laptop ran hot and loud the moment you pushed into editing or development work. Or maybe you just got tired of choosing between power and simplicity. That's when you realize you don't need bigger hardware, you need smarter hardware. The first few days with this feel almost disorienting. Everything responds instantly, but without drama. Apps open without hesitation. Heavy workloads don't trigger fan panic. You stop closing tabs, stop staging tasks, and stop thinking ahead just to avoid slowdowns. The system feels composed, even when you're not. Imagine editing video timelines that scrub smoothly without hiccups. Coding sessions where builds don't break your rhythm. Multitasking across displays where everything stays responsive and sharp. Even everyday work feels different, because the system never asks you to slow down. What really shifts is trust. Once you experience this level of consistency in such a compact machine, going back to weaker setups feels uncomfortable. Every time you consider something less capable, you remember how effortless this feels and immediately hesitate. If you're thinking about waiting, don't assume pricing or stock will stay friendly. Check availability now, because high-end mini PCs tend to move fast once demand catches up. You might wonder if this much power in a small box is unnecessary. That doubt fades the moment you realize how much mental energy you were spending managing limitations. When your computer just keeps up, your focus stays where it belongs. Here's the surprise benefit. It changes how you use your workspace. With less heat, less noise, and less clutter, your desk feels intentional. Your environment feels optimized. That clarity shows up in how you work. Owning something like this gives you quiet confidence. It doesn't look loud or aggressive, but you know exactly what it can handle. You feel like someone who chose efficiency on purpose. Everything feels fast without stress. Heavy tasks feel surprisingly smooth. Multitasking feels natural and stable. Your desk stays clean and focused. You stop thinking about upgrades. It benefits from good cooling space, not meant for gaming only builds. Eventually, the comparison loop loses its grip. You stop debating size versus power because you've already found the balance you wanted. At some point, choosing what already fits your workflow feels obvious. If you're ready for serious performance without the bulk, check the current price and availability of the GEEKOM IT15 now. Don't let this be the upgrade you delay while continuing to work around limits you've clearly outgrown.